All right, guys, welcome back to Penguin's Garage. We have Andrew's truck in here today. This thing is leaking profusely tranny fluid or power steering fluid. It's leaking power steering fluid. So what we got here is we figured out the hydro booster is bad and it's pissing right out of the seal. He also has the pressure line from the booster down to the gearbox that's cooked as well. So we're going to be doing both those today. So first step, we got Andrew over here trying to gain access by taking out the inner fender. That's going to gain us access to the line that goes like this all throughout there. We're going to go in the truck and we're going to pull out, fuck me, Santa, fuck me. So we're going to be underneath the dash in here and we're going to take out the hydro boost unit, which is conveniently located all the way up in there. All right, so let's do this here. So guys, we're gonna pull out the hydro boost, which is deep up in there. There's 4 bolts that hold it in, and then there's a pin that goes to the brake pedal. So I'm gonna get that stuff out and I'll see if I can show you, but chances are I cannot. Here's a decent angle. So I got a bolt up there on this side. There's a bolt right there, and then there's one above it. There's just 4 down here. So let's get those all out. Okay, and then you can see in here, there is oil absolutely everywhere. All coming from up here. Monsieur Hydrobusto. So that's coming out. And then the line that we need is this line here, and it goes all the way over to here to the back of the gearbox. So that's Andrew's problem. And I'll be working on the other stuff. Down here you can see we got the bolts out. See, one there, one there. We have the little push rod chingus is disconnected. See how it's just sitting there and everything else is moving? So that's all done. So what that is, you have a bolt right here. You unscrew the bolt out of the side of the pedal, and then you have this guy that sits over it. So you pull back on this tab right here, this side, pull that out, slip it down, and it falls off. And if you're lucky, you'll find where it goes. Andrew's got all this out.
A really long extension. And a 12mm.
Still fighting with that same one?
Well, it's a bolt. I pulled off.
Wait, what? The line that we're doing is right here, this guy. It follows down. It goes to a bolt that Andrew's gonna get with the world's smallest extension. Right down on the frame rail. And the setup that we have on it is a magnetic socket. And there's the bolt on the magnetic socket. Oh, oh, oh. That mirror. All right, I'm gonna pop that off. You got one line off. We gotta get the second line off and the master. All right. So 15 and 15. You get these ones from Night Picks yet?
No, I seen those and I've thought about getting them. Do you like them? Yeah?
Yeah.
Why do Germans always make the best shit except for cars?
I mean, to be fair, their cars aren't really that bad.
They're not that bad. It's just that
They do require a lot of maintenance.
They do.
And when they break, you have to fix them. But How many BMWs have you seen that you're like, that is a complete piece of shit, and it's still driving down the road?
That's true.
So let's get this bolt out. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Stop fucking with me.
Uh-oh. You're in trouble now.
I'm gonna teach you something bad. You do that again, I'm gonna get the broom. You've seen Men in Black, right?
Oh, yeah.
Shoot my hammer. Shoot it. Do you have any idea how bad that hurts?
I was not expecting that, dude. You should have at least been like, dude, get your video camera out.
Do you have any idea how bad that hurts?
Okay, Nick.
Oh, that's why it's at
This
this.
is the cutest little fucking camera I've ever seen in my life. Like, I would spend money on this. I don't need this, but I would buy this.
You know how often you use it though?
Exactly.
Look how beat up it is.
I know, that's the thing. It doesn't look brand new. This one looks more new than this one.
I use it all the time. There we go. All right. Now we need more tools. Let's just keep adding. La 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 la. And we'll cut the safety clip off of there, because who needs safety?
Nah, I ain't that shit. Bye-bye, little clown.
Ha!
Didn't even have it on this side.
Nope. Okay, now that's
Oh,
on.
there she glows.
I'm probably gonna just disconnect that fucking tube. It's been in the way the whole fucking time. Yeah. God damn it, I don't want to take that out. That's gonna turn it into a very long job.
Let's try to avoid that.
Let's lift this. Okay, there we go.
Oh, that's the unit we need behind there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I need that hose off. La 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 la. That's why this line could have stayed there. So we'll put him over there for now. Alright. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it good. Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah.
Where the fuck is that other end hooked up to?
That's your brake pedal.
Oh!
Your brake pedal pushes this. That amplifies all the power and goes push it, push it, push it, push.
See why I'm glad I brought it to you, Nick, and not have me figure this out on my own?
How is the stores?
Too hot. I cut it short. I'm like, I'm gonna go somewhere else. I really prefer to go to
You look like a snack.
Jeremy said he's gonna come over around 3:30 or 4.
Oh, end of day, huh?
Huh?
End of day.
Yeah. Are you gonna go in the pool?
Yeah.
How long are you going?
Everything's apart. I think we're, what, 30 minutes into it so far?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm good.
Okay, so we had to go in here like this. Gentle. Oh, shit. Damn it. That made it slippery.
With oil?
Okay, there's that. Put that up in there. And we'll come up in here. Oops. There we go. All right. Okay.
Why don't you look at that, Nicholas? Is there a gasket there?
There is not.
There's no.
Nope. There's an O-ring on the master itself, but it just keeps the dirt out. There we go. There it is.
Super!
Excellent. Oh shit, I forgot to put the line on the other side. That is going to create all sorts of problems. That is a bad day right there. Let's see if we can do this. Yep. All right. Okay, so make sure these lines here, there's an O-ring on there. Okay, there is an O-ring. Otherwise, we have El Lico. I'm gonna go slap this together real quick. Ooh. Who are you? Ooh. Make sure when you're tightening that line too, that it's, yeah, just like that. All right guys, so new hydroboost is in. This right here is the new line for it. Basically the reverse procedure. Nothing really special to know. 2 bolts here. Everything with this gets unbolted inside. That hose, this hose, and this hose come off. Slide this forward. We lifted it up on top of this. Used a little bit of force. These lines have some give to them. Andrew with his mighty might pulled this hard, and I slid that down and came out. Down here, I have a bunch of cleaner on this thing. We have the new hose going in. It's on the other side of this. You might be able to see it right in there, that little shiny thing right there. So yeah, now we're gonna fire it up. We'll put fluid in it, and we'll back it outside and we'll rinse her down. I told Andrew he couldn't start it yet because of the money shot, right?
That's right.
Chevys love money shots. Well, that's anticlimactic. Where's all the whining? They always whine.
Hey, I'm okay with it not whining this time.
So now, guys, we give it a couple turns. Make sure that we got that. And brake. Ooh, we have assist. There we go. Feel the air coming out of it. Okay. We're gonna get her backed out, guys. Now, another thing is, this truck's been on the channel like 3 times now. Nobody bash on Chevy. This thing's got 259,000 miles on it. A high pressure pump, brakes, the hydroboost, and we've had a bunch of def codes. Def codes are always on this. Oh yeah, and we've done the EGR bypass valve on it. Everything that's gone wrong with this truck has been emissions related, minus that. So yeah, we're gonna get it outside, get it cleaned up, and that does it on this video. Nice and short and sweet. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.